guys, today I will give you some tips on how to solve word problems. Of course, in solving word problems, first you need to understand the problem. So here is a sample problem. Nori spent 1 2/3 hours in doing her homework in math and 3/4 hours in English. How much time did she spend doing her homework in two subjects? Okay. As I said earlier, we need to understand the problem. Now here is a method that will help you to solve problems. I call it Agon's F method. Pero ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng Agon's F na yan? Agon's F is an acronym for what is asked in the problem, what are the given data or information, what operation to be used, what is the number sentence, solve or the solution, and then the final answer. That is what the Agon's F stands for. Now let us use this method dun sa problem. Try natin kung effective. Again, here's the problem. Nori spent 1 2/3 hours in doing her homework in math and 3/4 hours in English. How much time did she spend doing her homework in two subjects? First in the method is A. What is asked in the problem? Para malaman mo kung ano yung asked sa problem, you need to know what are the WH questions. So these are what, when, where, why, or how. So pag makita mo yun sa problem, panigurado yun yung asked. Pero tingnan mo pa rin, baka hindi. Pero almost 90% yun yung question. In our problem, we can see how. Siguro naman yun na yung question, di ba? How much time did she spend doing her homework in two subjects? Pwede nyo isagot yung buong question talaga. Kopyahin nyo lang. Pwede rin naman i-configure nyo siya in a sentence. For example, the time she spent doing her homework in two subjects. Kasi nga, di ba? What is asked in the problem? The time she spent doing her homework in two subjects. Acceptable naman yung dalawa. I-consider ko pa rin naman kahit anong sagot. Okay? Next is G, or what are the given data or information. So sa given data or information, kalimitan yun yung mga numbers na makikita natin sa problem. Kasi in the end, yun yung isosolve natin. So dito sa problem natin, makikita natin ang 1 2/3 hours and then 3/4 hours. That will be our given information. Kasi yun lang naman yung tinatanong, di ba? The time spent in two subjects. So dalawa lang naman na oras ang andyan. So that will be our given data or information. Next, O. What operation to be used? Para malaman natin yung operation na gagamitin, kailangan natin i-examine yung question. So ang tanong naman dyan is, how much time did she spend in doing her homework in two subjects? Obviously, we are going to add. So our operation will be addition. Tinatanong lang naman kung gaano niya katagal ginawa yung homework niya sa dalawang subject. So i-add natin. Next is N. What will be the number sentence? So what is a number sentence? Remember, number sentence is also called equation. They are the same. So paano tayo makakagawa ng number sentence? Of course, kailangan alam mo yung given and then the operation. Di ba nga, alam na natin yung given? 1 2/3 and 3/4. At alam na rin natin yung operation, which is addition. Ang ilalagay mo na lang para makumpleto yung equation ay equal to n. Pero bakit equal to n? Kasi hindi pa natin alam yung sagot. So, ilalagay muna natin n. N stands for a number. Kasi ang sagot natin ay number. Dahil di pa natin to alam, ilalagay muna natin ay n. Okay? So, this will be our number sentence. Next is S, or solve. Dito nyo na ipapakita yung solution nyo. So, kailan? Meron na tayong number sentence para makapag-solve tayo. So, here is our number sentence. di ko na pala i-explain in details yung pagsasagot nito kasi in-explain ko na yon in my previous video. So, alam niyo naman na dissimilar fractions sila, kaya hahanapin natin yung LCD, which is 12. And then, we will find its numerator. Kung di nyo matandaan yung method, panoorin nyo na lang talaga ulit yung previous video. So, yung kulay blue na yan na yung bago nating isosolve. So, 1 and 812 plus 912 is 1 and 1712. Is it the final answer? Not yet. Kasi, improper fractions yung 1712. So, gagawin natin muna siyang mixed number. So, 1712 magiging 1 and 512. And then, may whole number pa tayo na 1. I-add natin to sa 1 and 512. So, our answer will be 2 and 512. Since wala nang common factor ang 5 at 12, this will be the simplest form. Tapos na tayo sa solving. So, next is the F or final answer. Keep it in mind na kapag gagawa kayo ng final answer, it should always be a complete sentence. So, ganito lang yon. Since alam na natin yung answer na 2 and 512, madali na lang gumawa ng sentence. Kukunin mo lang yan dun din sa problem. Just like this one. Nori spent 2 and 512 hours in doing her homework in math and English. Diba? Ganun lang kasimple gumawa ng final answer. So, let us do a recap. We used Agon's F method. What is asked? What are given? What operation? What is the number sentence? The solution? And then the final answer. So, that is how you solve word problems. Tandaan, kung hindi naman hinihingi ang step-by-step na Agon's F method, ang gagawin nyo na lang ay solution and then final answer. Importante yung dalawang yan. Okay? Kung may di kayo naintindihan, you can repeat the video. Pero kung wala na kayong tanong, get your modules and just do it.